We're so excited, literally, like, so, everyone, it's Daffled, and it's even a girl. Alright, everyone, welcome back to another video on Double G Now Farm. So, we're kicking this video off. We're so excited, literally, like, so, as y'all may know, we plant Becks, and this year, one of our rewards, gifts, whatever they're called, is a Polaris side-by-side. We're so excited. So it's 10:49. It's supposed to be here around 11. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some videos of it. It'll help us all. Okay.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, I saw that. Okay, now we just figure out how to put it in drive.
This is dangerous.
Oh my word, this is so much fun. Are you kidding me right now? Help!
Yeah, the podcast. I was thinking it was going a lot faster, like.
Oh, this is fun. Look, we're checking cows. Even has automatic windows, everyone.
This is so nice.
Oh, this is fun. All right, everyone. So it is an absolute beautiful evening. So that means it's also this time of year to burn CRP. So Dad is burning it right now. I brought the camera along, got the drone, and we're gonna try to get some neat shots of this. So anyways, hopefully we will. Alright, everyone, we're out here doing morning chores, feeding all the bottle babies, and Kid is kidding. So, and of course, she's actually a bottle baby, so she's like, likes her people. She doesn't sleep with the other goats like how goats normally do, and she always sleeps by this gate where we go in and out of, and we're trying to feed bottle baby, so of course she, like, you know, has to do it by the gate. Whatever, anyway, so hopefully I can get it on film. It's her first time. We're gonna see if she can do it without any help. We'll have to see. Everyone, it's Daffled, and it's even a girl, even better. Everyone, SG and I came back here to work with SG and Ollie's calves, 4-H calves, and there's a cow calving, so maybe I can get it on film.
Kelsey's gonna write the pairs down on her phone so we know which cow numbers are in which pasture. So we worm them with, it's Sidectin. This is Alpha 7. It is a blackleg vaccine that we give to the cows and the calves both. It's Express 5, VL5, it's their pre-breeding shot. Okay, babies. You on the grass. Someone's taking a run. Hey, babies, you are getting on the bus. Gotta count them, make sure we have them all. First one found it. Hopefully they come back for their babies. Y'all, I am ready for bed. We've had 14 calves born today. Actually, 15 calves, 14 cows. There's actually 2 of them haven't had their calves yet, but. So tomorrow is gonna be crazy again because we gotta get these cleaned out because we got cows in pens we don't normally have cows in. And this here, a bottle baby, got kicked out of his pen. So he's just over here hanging out for the night till he has an open pen again. And we got a set of twins, so most likely we'll have another bottle baby. And we also have a cow that calved whose udder does not look very good. I don't know, I know for sure she doesn't have milk in all quarters, but the calf nursed. So we'll have to get her in tomorrow and see how much milk she's got and make sure it's good. See if we need to take her off or not. The calf got some colostrum from her, but we'll have to check to make sure she'll be able to raise it. I think she likes this. You like this, Dolly? Fall asleep. You like that? Oh yeah. This is the first red baby we've had this year so far.
Alright everyone, if you all have been following us, you know that we are putting up a machine shed. We tore down an old hog barn that used to be at the back of the farm. A couple vlogs ago, we had a crew here pouring the foundation for a machine shed and the cement walls. But the machine shed is actually finished, but I'm not going to show too much. I made a film of the last couple weeks when Kansas and Iowa crew was here building the machine shed. So I'm going to roll that now and hope you all enjoy it. All right, everyone, as you all just saw, the machine shed is finished. They just got it put up. We want to say a huge thank you to the Greenfield contractors and the Kansas and Iowa construction crew for getting it up. They had to work in some pretty nasty days at the beginning. It was snowing and raining and pretty windy, but they got it put up and it is amazing. Dad cannot wait to get his equipment in here. He's excited about it. So as you all saw, we're also going to be adding on a mini hog barn to the machine shed. We are hiring someone else to do that as well. They just started on it yesterday actually. So anyways, but I hope you all enjoyed this week's video. Calving season is still in full swing and we'll see y'all next week.